Today is Tuesday, Parashat Mishpatim. Many mitzvot in this parasha that relate to how we act and relate to each other, mitzvot between man and his fellow man. There's one pasuk in this parasha, Ki tir'eh hamor son'acha, rovetz tahat masa'o, v'hadalta me'azov lo, azov ta'azov imo. So if you see the donkey of someone you hate, who's crouching under his burden, would you refrain from helping him? No, you shall help him repeatedly with him. And in this pasuk here, we learn a lot of principles. First of all, even if it's somebody that you hate and you see the animal is crouching under its load, you have to step up to the plate and help and assist to unload that animal. And azov ta'azov, it's repeatedly, even if it's more than once. And imo, with him. In other words, the person who owns that donkey cannot say, look, you have a mitzvah to unload, I'm going to sit and watch you. No. He would be exempt from it. He has to also participate in that project of unloading the animal. And we do have another mitzvah also, that you have a mitzvah to load up, to help somebody load his animal, or maybe his truck. He's trying to put a box into his trunk in his car, and you happen to be right there. You have a mitzvah, azov ta'azov imo, to help and to assist. And this would apply not just to load up a box or a load, but also in general. A person has a problem, and the problem that he has, you're able to assist him. You don't stay aloof. You don't look the other way. You move towards him and help him to deal with that situation. It could be sometimes advice. It could be sometimes financial. It could be many, many different ways where you can assist a person to carry whatever load he needs to carry or whatever problem he needs to solve. So here, this mitzvah, it speaks about unloading a donkey, but it's not just about that. It's any situation where somebody needs help, you should be there to assist. Now, many times a person is faced with two situations that he needs to deal with. Many times in life we have different responsibilities. And the question comes up, which would take precedence? This project or that project? Could be professional obligation or family obligations. It could be certain cases where it would seem to be equivalent, but still, what do I do? So, in the case of a donkey and a load on the donkey, if you have one that needs to be uploaded and one to be downloaded, the download would take precedence because the animal is suffering. So there's another element there of tza'ar ba'alei chayim, of the suffering of an animal. The one who needs to load up can wait a little bit, so I'm going to give precedence to that one, and then I'll do the second one as my second choice. But in the Gemara it says there is one exception. If the one who needs to load up is someone that you don't get along with, someone that you have some a beef with, somebody that you're not in the best of terms with, he would take precedence. And the reason for that is through your action of helping him, through that involvement in giving him assistance, he will help you to develop positive feelings towards him and to bring peace between you and to find the positive in him. Many times our emotions are affected by our actions. The action that we do would bring a certain feeling and emotion into our psyche. So the idea of assisting someone that you don't get along with will bring within you some positive feelings towards him, and maybe you'll see that he's not such a bad person after all. And these are some of the ideas connected to one of the psukim in this parasha. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.